What if you are trying to break into cybersecurity and you are not learning Python? You are actually doing it wrong. I mean, you are doing it wrong. This is the reason. Cybersecurity is not just clicking buttons on the dashboard, it is a game of speed, and Python is the ultimate cheat code for the speed. Imagine checking 10,000 servers log for malicious activities using hand. It will take days, but with Python you can write a script to do it in seconds. Do you need to build a custom network scanner? Do you need to automate malware analysis, or do you need to craft exploit payload? Python does it all with clean, simple code. The industry is not looking for the analysts who use tools. They are looking for those who build tools, who can build those tools. And this is the difference between an entry-level salary and six-figure income. Stop memorizing theories. Stop memorizing theories. Start writing script. And if you need my top 3 Python project for beginners, drop your comment below. Thanks.